Hi, I'm Chris Howard. I'm a CIO, and I'm going to talk to you today about some of the tools that I use in my role from artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence tools are pretty much incorporated into everything that I do today. For example, ChatGPT. I like it for content creation, images, that kind of thing. It helps me write professional, great sounding email responses. I've switched a lot to Claude, and I feel like it does a better job of analytical type stuff. It will help me with diagrams, describe something more visually in diagram analytical form. I also really like Claude Code. As an example here recently, I created a dashboard that helps us analyze utilization of resources on different projects, and I use Claude Code for that, really enjoyed it. I use Claude and ChatGPT in my everyday life. A lot of times with quotes, when somebody asks us for a project, they'll initially come in with the initial scope, and then we'll get some emails expanding on that scope and additional detail from meetings. So I'll take all of that content and load it into Claude or ChatGPT. It saves me a ton of time, and I feel like the end result is far more accurate, and that we could go back to that customer with a holistic view of everything that they've described to us. My advice to other CIOs, really anybody in the business operations space, is to play around with these different tools. I will tell you, initially I was pretty much dedicated to ChatGPT. Over the last year, that's expanded. I've learned what its strengths and weaknesses are. You need to stay current. You need to be out there exploring, trying out these different tools, reading about their capabilities, exploring what other people are doing. As I'm telling you, it's evolving rapidly. The tools that I'm talking to you right now about in December, I can guarantee you in January, February of next year, those will change.